problem with WesCheck where sometimes the documents that we have to run, the entire chapters that we have to run, are too large for WesCheck and we receive an error. So we do have to break up documents every once in a while. And what I have done is I have created a macro that allows you to just press a button and it'll copy 50 pages at a time, delete the pages from the original document, and then you go in and paste them into a new document. So I'm going to show you what I did. This is actually PR Chapter 1, and I have renamed it, and you should rename it, your document as well, extraction document. And I put it in a special folder, and this is on my desktop. You can put it wherever you want. I call it extractions. So let me open up extraction document so I can show you what I mean by the macro. So what you would need to do to install your macro is you would go up here to your developer tab, and you would click on developer, and you would click on Visual Basic. And here is the macro that I have made, but what you would do is the text file that I've sent you, you would copy its contents and paste it in an empty window. And then you would just hit save. And then you would click out of here. Okay? So that's all you have to do to install the macro. And the macro itself is called, right here, 50 pages. So I'm going to click out of that and I'm going to show you how it works. I've added my macro here as a little happy face because it makes me happy to do it. And you can actually add it as a button as well, or you can just go to macro and find 50 pages. If you want to add it as a button, let me just very quickly show you what you would need to do. You would go to More Commands. And if you want to add it to your quick access toolbar, which is up here, you would come to this Choose Commands From and click down to Macros. And then all your macros are here. Most of them are the macros that we use for our alt codes, but here you can see normal, new macro, which is what it would look like, 50 pages. So you would select that and you would add it to your quick access toolbar. And if, like me, you wanted to modify it so you know exactly what it looks like, you come down here and click modify and select any icon that you would like to differentiate it from the others. So that's how I added it. How it works is when you click on it, so it did a few things. What it does is it selects the first 50 pages of the document, it copies the pages, and it opens up a new document. So what you would do is you would open the document and just hit paste or do a Control-C because it has copied the pages. Not only has it selected the first 50 pages and copied them so that you can paste them into this new document, it has also, if you come back to the extraction document, deleted the first 50 pages. So all you have to do is you don't have to delete anything. You don't have to start over. You just have to hit the happy face again, right? And so it opens up another document. You come in and you paste, and that's part 2. So you would probably want to, as you go along, save these documents in the order that you're going to run them through WesCheck. Okay, and so you come back to extraction document, and you'll notice this is the 147. You'll notice if you come back that you're now on 148. So it has taken the first 50 pages and deleted them, so you don't have to worry. You just keep going with your happy face. Okay, and you come back, you paste, and then you come back to the extraction document and do it again. And you can keep going until the document is empty, actually, right? And then you'll know that you're done. So you come back here, run it again. Come back to the last and paste it, right? You come back to the original extraction document. You've only got 13 pages left. Okay. And so when you come back, it looks like it has to be 50 pages. So if you have fewer than 50 pages left, it won't run it, right? It'll only do like 3 pages at a time. So if you have fewer than 50 pages left, what I would suggest you do is this original extraction document can be your final document that you're going to run through WestCheck. So you would save it as, say that you've been saving these as like just, one, for instance, because it's chapter 1 and it's part 1 that you're going to run through. Then this very last one where you have fewer than 50 pages would be your last one. So in this case, it'd be 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, 1-4, 1-5, 1-6, 1-7. And then I would come back here and rename my extraction document 1-8, right? And then you would run these documents through WestCheck one at a time. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.